At the Olympic Games, it started in Chateauroux. At the Paralympic Games, it started in Chateauroux. At the Olympic Games, it was Manu Bhaker, and how brilliant she was. After that Tokyo disappointment, Manu made the Olympic Games her own. We celebrated Manu in style. We celebrated empowerment. We celebrated women power. And this time round, again, a 22-year-old, almost the same age as Manu Bhaker. This is young India on show. Avani Lekhara. At that point in time, Manu had 2 medals, Avani had 2. Now Avani has taken a step forward with her 3rd medal, 2 golds and 1 silver. If it was Manu then, it is Avani now. And clearly, India on course at the Chateauroux shooting range. Both supremely talented, both brilliant in their articulation of their thoughts, both very, very adept at handling pressure. Both have made the country proud, and the similarities are fascinating. And also, Avani Lekhara won her gold on the 30th of August in 21 and the 30th of August in 24. Here's a celebration of Manu Bhaker and Avani Lekhara.
We have with us Manu Bhaker, the history maker. We already had a chat in the last one. We will probably have another one, but for today, she is the history maker who have won 2 medals in a single Olympics. We are not considering Norman Pritchard back in 1900. Manu Bhaker is the history maker. But Manu, has it sunk in, and do you think that this achievement will actually open the doors of many other shooters in India?
Firstly, thank you so much for this. Appreciated these words. So yes, these the medals have sunk in, but I mean, I will always cherish them. Like my entire life, I will cherish them. However, I have another match to shoot, as you mentioned, so I will have to let it sink now. So then I can focus on my next match, and let's see how it goes for me. Yeah.
In earlier conversations, you have mentioned about other Indian athletes also, like नीरज and PV Sindhu. So ये जो आपके अंदर जो जुनून है, जो तूफान है, ये कहाँ से आता है? Who is your inspiration in Indian sport?
Truly, I really admire Neeraj and Sindhu and so many other athletes also we have in India, great athletes. But like in my times, they have been the one that I've been looking up to because they have always delivered at the big stages, and they have always been like the huge thing. So, but I think it's the matter of confidence when you go to some big stage. It's the matter of confidence, and it's also how much hard work you've put in through the years, and then it's like you have to put in your efforts in every minute of the time that you're performing, so that I mean, like, you can do the best, and let rest please leave to God.
बहुत अच्छा लगता है मतलब एक कंट्री से इस बार 2 ही लोग पार्टिसिपेट कर सकते थे, तो 2 लोगों के मेडल आए सेम पोडियम पे, काफ़ी अच्छा लगा. अगर 3 लोग कर सकते तो मैं तो चाहती थी कि तीनों के ही आते, बट अच्छा लग रहा है कि शूटिंग पैरा स्पोर्ट ग्रो कर रहा है हमारी कंट्री में. एंड लास्ट टाइम 1 पोडियम फिनिश था, इस बार 2 पोडियम फिनिश है. आई होप यही ऐसे ग्रो करता रहे और कंटिन्यू करे.